Hello everyone, welcome to our video session today. So in our video, let's draw some different kinds of houses today. So first I'm drawing a window and then an house and a door and then a small houses. Here multiple houses are drawn and then a gate is drawn and then a tree is drawn. So making house more beautiful, let's draw the rainbow. So put some shades to the rainbow with different colors and make more beautiful. So let's move on to the next part. I'm drawing an house and then a window and then a door and then a chimney. Then again I'm drawing a sun. Then I'm drawing the leaf and then a gate. So slowly I'm gonna shade them. So again I'm drawing an house and then I'm drawing a gate. So after that I'm drawing a way. You know everyone, house is beautiful and it is an important part for every human beings to stay in house. Let's draw some suns to shine my house more prettier. Put some shades to the suns and the house and the plants and an apple. So here are the some shades that has been shaded. Then I'm gonna move to the next part. Here I'm gonna draw another oval shape or a gift wrapper type of houses. So here I'm drawing door, window and the chimney and a top a gift wrapper, and then drawing away and the big leaves and the plants and the grass and the rabbit. Here rabbit is being drawn and then it's eating a grass. So again we have drawn the flowers and the crows are flying. Then let's move on. I'm drawing one more 4 S's like a fan and then drawing an houses and draw the plants, clouds in the houses and shade them. So again everyone knows house needs for every human beings for shelter. So here we are drawing house with vase and the plants and lot many. And here we are drawing a snow bee. So because snow doll, because it is in a Christmas season, so we are drawing Christmas tree and shading with a green color and shade the snow with a red color and a house with a pink color. And then let's move on. Again I'm drawing an house, then drawing away the road and the windows, then chimney. So trees has been drawn and the apple has been drawn inside the tree. So here's an apple tree. So let's put some shades to this plants and shade the sun with yellow and the green and apple. Let's move on. Again I'm drawing a chimney and then an house and then a cloud type of window, again a way with a beautiful door structure and then a gate is being drawn. So here's a way and then I'm drawing a sun. Let's move on. So drawing an house and the window and then a chimney where the smoke comes out, and we are drawing the road slowly and then the gate has been drawn and we are drawing a plants. Put some shade with green and the house with the red and white. So let's move on. So again a way is being drawn, then a house has been drawn, then lightly put some decorations to the house and drawing a door and the way. So here again leaves and the chimney has been drawn. So shade them with a green, pink and draw a crow and normal grasses and the sun. So grasses has been drawn and then a snail has been drawn. So let's move on. Again an house and then an shading them and making the decoration. Here's a olden day where they use a bricks to cover the houses, top of the houses. So here it is a brickway representation of the houses and then a leaf is being drawn and the sun has been drawn. So let's put some flowers and the leaves and shade them. So again an house, then a window and a chimney and the grasses, and then we are drawing a crow, shade them. So here we are drawing a beautiful mushroom houses. So here's a beautiful mushroom house that has been drawn with a beautiful window and the door. So let's put some shade with pink and green and the